Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. In this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using a router. Now, a router is an awesome tool. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with a router, but it's also a serious tool that you have to pay special attention to when using it because it can be dangerous. Not trying to scare you away, but the fact is when you put that bit inside there that I'm going to show you how to do in just a second, that bit is exposed, and once you turn this thing on, it's live. And so you have to make sure that you're holding it firmly and that the material you're working with is clamped properly. All right, so these are examples of some roundover bits, and this is the 1/4 inch shaft. And so I'm using a 1/4 inch router. This is a battery operated router. This has a quick release here to remove this. So now I can expose the arbor. So what you're gonna do is take that bit, this is the cove bit, I'm gonna drop it inside the arbor, and you can take it all the way down, but typically depending on where you wanna set this with the deck, I would probably just go down and maybe just leave a little bit exposed there, maybe about another 1/4 inch. This button here locks the arbor. You tighten this first by hand, and then you take this wrench and you tighten that to make sure that this is secure. Then, lining up the pins here, you drop this back in place, and then now you're ready to set the depth. This is a piece of cove. This wheel is going to go against the material to do the cutting, and so this ring right here adjusts the deck up and down depending on where you want to set it. So I'm going to set that just slightly deeper than the cutter of the router bit, and I'm going to clamp it in place. I cannot stress enough the importance of clamping the material securely so that the material does not move when you go to use this router. Now I've got the battery in, this is ready to go. You'll see that that bit is exposed. This is the danger part, okay? Once this turns on, that bit is live. Take that fence that they give you and lay it on the material. Now, as you're cutting, the rotation of the tool looking down is clockwise. You're going to turn that tool on and you're going to feel resistance. You want the resistance to be against you as you push it. If you go the other way, the router can run on you, and you don't want that. The control comes from you turning on the router and working against the resistance as you get a cut. Remember, sharp bits give you clean cuts. All right, I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how it cuts. This is a cove bit. I've set the depth. When you turn it on, you don't want it touching the material. Now you're going to bring that into the material and the wheel. And then you pull it off the material when you're done, and you see that really nice cove cut that you just got, super clean on a piece of pine. Take your time, understand this tool, and then go enjoy yourself and have some fun with the router. Coming up next, my video on how to choose the right router bit.